right, so I am here with JVC Kenwood. Would you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Hey everyone, my name is Seth Halstead. I'm the National Training and Content Development Manager for JVC Kenwood Corporation. Today we're here at CES 2020 showing off some of our really cool new products with, of course, none other than Alexa built in. As you can see, we have a wide selection of products that we're displaying here. Now we have several more products that feature the Alexa built in. This is just a small sampling of the products. But on the upper right-hand corner here, you are going to see that we now have a double-din sized audio receiver. This is from our Kenwood Exelon line of products, which means it has the best of the best in audio sound quality and feature support, including front and rear USB inputs. One of the biggest upgrades for us this year is, of course, a complete redesign with an individual Alexa built-in button. You can see just how easy that is to use, in fact, how safe it is to use on the road. That's something that's been really exciting to talk to our customers about, is just how safe this can make your driving experience. With Alexa built-in, once you've connected your phone over Bluetooth and you have the Amazon Alexa app downloaded on your phone, you can simply press the Alexa button and then ask Alexa to do whatever it is you'd like to do. Maybe you're looking to find the nearest gas station. Maybe you want to set a reminder. Whatever it is, you can do that all with the convenience of just pressing the Alexa button. Now, you wouldn't even necessarily need to look down at your receiver. Because this button is so big on these models, you're easily able to keep your eyes on the road, and then if you do even need to look away just for a brief moment, it's so big you just press the button and you're set to go. So it really opens up a nice, safe experience and lets you do all the conveniences that you would like to be able to do that you couldn't do prior to having Alexa built in. On this side of the display, you're also going to see similar features continue with our Kenwood Exelon line of products. You'll notice the Alexa built-in button conveniently located towards the driver's seat, right in the lower left-hand corner. Multiple illumination display. You can set it to match your dashboard exactly. And down below here, we have our Marine and Motorsports line of products, including two new Marine Motorsports ready receivers that feature Alexa built in. What you will notice on these is we have a nice positive backlit display so they can be seen in any environment, but also when you're just hanging out in whatever type of environment you are, you can simply press that Alexa built-in button. Once you press it, you're good to go with asking Alexa to do anything that you'd like to do. And as you can see over here, we have some of our brand new JVC audio receivers with Alexa built in for 2020. You'll notice that we have double-din models. These double-din models have a nice attractive look with the simple to access Alexa built-in button right there. Again, variable color illumination so you can fine tune it to match your dashboard. Simply just press that Alexa built-in button and you can access all the conveniences that Amazon Alexa has to offer. Down below here, you'll also see the Alexa button in a simple to access manner directly right there on the single-din audio receiver, again with variable color illumination.